welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, I will explain about Vehicle Seize Management System in Jainam Software. It is completely automated end-to-end and there are roles, access and processes defined in the system so that it avoids a lot of manual effort, paperwork, and it also reduces communication in the seize management. Okay, so to start with seize management, I have HR management, and under employee list I have created two agents and their logins. For them to perform their job, I have given them access relevant to their job. So you can note down the access that allow loan search to seizure, search history so that they can see the vehicle search history, upload document, and modify loan sub status. Modify loan sub status is required because once they identify the vehicle, they should be in position to seize the vehicle and keep it under shade. Upload documents to upload the images related to the vehicle conditions and other stuff. Search history so that they can also see how many vehicles they have searched in the system, how many vehicles matched. So in seize management, the important part is preparing a list which can be broadcasted to Caesar for the search. So the list can be prepared from status report due list because due list provides you the list of loans which are due, and here if I click search, refresh and click here the data filter, some of the filters help you to analyze the defaulters. For example, I can search something on first search. I want to do it on all the loans which are normal. Then search installments more than, let's say, any due, any installment which is uh, like 6 installments or 6 EMIs dues. Okay, and maybe I want to focus only the the borrowers who did not pay recently. Okay, so did not pay recently, someone like paid just now 6 days ago. I want to focus on it, someone who did not pay recently, so I'll select 14. So and I click apply. So there are 42 records in this filter criteria. What I will do, I will do further analysis. I can click on a loan and then in a different tab and check the status and details about loan. Okay, let's say out of these loans, 5 loans are the loans which I want to send for Caesar. So there are two status here, ready for repossess. So in the system, actually we have used repossess as the name instead of seizing, and then here repossess review. Repossess review is something I have filtered the list. Now I'm basically sending it to the internal staff so that they can review and then they can mark it to ready to repossess. So I want to keep this list as repossess review and change status. So here 151, 181, 180, these are the loans which are marking as repossess review. Once that is done, okay, your internal staff can also access, actually if you have given them the access of due list, they can search it and they can filter directly on repossess review. So they don't have to filter any other criteria. So there are like 43 records which are marked under repossess review. Okay, So like 151, 180, these loans are actually marked as repossessed review. So what they decide now, that out of these loans, let's say 180 and 151, these two loans are basically they want to send it to Caesar to search and seize in case Caesar finds the vehicle on the road. So ready to repossess and then change status. So 151 and 180 status changed. Okay, I again search the list here just to make sure that they are showing in ready to repossess. So ready to repossess here, apply. There are total 12 loans in ready to repossess. So 151, 180, these loans are marked there. Okay. Now, next step is, so the internal staff or the merchant work is completed here. Now next work will be Caesar. So Caesar will have a mobile app and I can just log in from Caesar account, and Caesar, let's say searching for vehicle, so they will just enter V dash. I already have one vehicle here. Okay, let's say they are entering some wrong vehicle. Okay, wrong in the sense a vehicle which is not available. So MH12 and 1 2 3 4 anything. So I know that this vehicle is not available, so no result found for this vehicle. Now they will keep searching the vehicle from mobile app, and as soon as they find it, it will be matched. So MS12 1 2 3 4, and second vehicle we can say, um, let's say this vehicle, and system has found this vehicle in the list actually, and this vehicle uh, is searched by Caesar only because this vehicle is marked as ready to repossess. Okay, now if you go back to the merchant dashboard or internal staff dashboard, then we can see in detailed report we get a search history, and here for today's date I can just search on all and click here. So you can see that Caesar 1 agent 1 actually searched this vehicle. We can also click and check the map where exactly it was searched. Okay, it will tell us the location, and on this here, and it will also tell us what was the status of the loan at the time of search. Okay, and if we are only interested, we can just see matched and how many vehicles matched today. We can appropriately take a decision on this, and Caesar can also see the list here. Okay, similar list, but only the vehicles searched by specific Caesar who has logged in. Now here, well, let's say this vehicle is found. Okay, and now next action is Caesar will have to seize the vehicle. If immediately cannot be seized or some issues, Caesar will enter the follow-up command saying that uh, cannot seize vehicle due to XYZ reason. Okay, and then click save. So these comments, whatever comments, there may be like 100 Caesars entering all the comments. These comments can be accessed from status report follow-up list. If you just click here refresh, you will get a comments actually here. So cannot seize vehicle due to XYZ reason. Okay, then you can just click on this. I mean the merchant can click on specific loan and reply back with the whatever comment actually. Let's say uh, seize vehicle immediately and keep it in shade. Okay, so here this comment is added. Now Actually, if any comment added for repossess, then that comment will be this comment will not be seen to Caesar actually. Okay, so actually we have planned to add a reply concept actually. So instead of reply, we can also do that. Let's say cannot seize the vehicle. Click here and follow up comment from here. We can add the same comment here and click update. Let's see if it works. Okay, I think we'll have to add a reply option actually, which we can add it later. Okay, so now if the Caesar is seeing this, we'll see only the own comment plus whatever reply added by the merchant or the staff. Now let's say Caesar has seen the comment, and next step is Caesar wants to seize the vehicle or repossess the vehicle. In that case, every time Caesar will have to search vehicle and then take the action. Let's say repossessed. Change status, yes. Now the status is changed. If merchant is going to continuously see the due list, just to, because due list, the this is ongoing process actually. It can be done on daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. And here, so status repossessed, they can quickly check, okay, this vehicle is repossessed. They can click on vehicle and check the follow-up comments and take the action. Okay, so merchant can also change the status directly from here actually. Okay, for example, if uh, fortunately this borrower has come to merchant's office and did the settlement, so merchant can directly click here and click on specific loan and then change the status directly here in status info. Changed the status, saying that it the status is normal actually. Okay, so that status can be changed. But let's say uh, the settlement is not done of the dues, then uh, the Caesar is going to change the status, saying that repossess shade or company shade. Let's say repossess shade. Change status. And next thing is need to add a shade number actually. So in document list, upload document, and here uh, there will take multiple photos in vehicle shade actually. So let me, vehicle shade is not available here, which will be added for. So let me go here, and merchant is going to make a small setting saying that vehicle, let me search here, vehicle shade. Add. Why it is done? Because whatever master list maintained by merchant, it can be accessible directly for this. Now it is saying no result for this. No result. Um, okay. I can fix it. I think it is because we allowed only to search the vehicles which are ready to repossess. But apart from that, there should be a couple of other status like company shade or other stuff. Then we should allow to check the status and take the action for that. Okay, so here, and after this the next step is, let me do one more thing here. V dash vehicle number. Let me quickly change the status of this vehicle so that next actions can be taken actually. Okay, so ready to repossess, change status, yes. And here V dash vehicle number, this vehicle is available to search. Okay, so next is like whatever document we have added currently, vehicle shade and shade number, let's say shade 123, whatever the details want to add, phone number or any other stuff, then browse file or from camera, take the image of that shade and the vehicle, and finally upload. Okay, so I'm not adding any uh, image here, right? Just uploading it and close. So whatever documents uploaded, um, so there may be many documents related to this loan, but uh, the Caesar has uploaded document and Caesar will see the self-uploaded document, whereas the, for example, let's say merchant is adding something, PAN number of the uploaded, close. Now merchant can see two documents here, whereas uh, Caesar will see only the specific document. Okay, the document which the documents which are uploaded by Caesar. Okay, so then next is related to the payment, because Caesar may need some payment to release the vehicle before releasing the vehicle. So payment can be added here, and let's say payment demand, um, make payment so that I can release this vehicle. So whenever any action is taken on that specific loan, it is already captured. So we can also come to know what actions are taken by the Caesar. So save, and then here there may be multiple and lot of payments coming up, payment request coming up actually. So refresh and simply uh, follows payment demand. So these are payment demands came from different Caesars actually. So here this is a 500 amount demand. So click on the specific loan account and approve that payment demand here. Okay, this is just a approval process, but actual payment will be done through the vouchers actually. Okay, so follow up and you can reply to this payment demand. You can just update saying payment approved, saved. So here in follow-up comments, it should show actually the payment approved actually. Okay, so anyway, I explained in the last um, uh, discussion that a reply option will be provided there. Okay, all right. So here it will complete. But before that, there is one more. As soon as the payment released, actually, the uh, Caesar is going to change the status saying that it is released actually, released from the shade. And okay, so here it will be completed now. And now if Caesar wants to search the vehicle, or any other Caesar wants to search this vehicle, it cannot be searched. Okay. All right. So this is how Caesar management works. Actually, there are so many steps involved here. So, but it is implemented in a simple way where we have to deal with only status report follow-up automatically in email. This follow-up report will be sent to the configured email ID so that they will be notified, okay, what are the actions taken, or what's going on in the system, who is like seizing what vehicle and all that stuff. Then in detailed report, it will basically search history just for analysis, just to understand if the seizures are working properly or not. And then a normal loan management system will work as usual. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for giving your time and watching this video. Have a great day.